Thank you to the Greeks and to Aristotle specifically, the idea that, any well-composed decision and or argument has three aspects to it. There's the logos, which is the rational. Why is this a rational thing to do? There is the pathos. Why should I care? What's in it for me? And then there's the ethos. Why is this a good thing to do more broadly? How does the community benefit from this decision? And right now, virtual assistants are completely locked into the logos. We live in a symbolic world, and it's a rational world, but what we've learned from cognitive science is that pure logic-based decisioning tends to be wrong over time. You can be very logical and end up in really bad situations ethically. You can be really logical and end up doing things that are never in the individual's best interest. And so if you take a systems-minded approach and you look at the system as being what's important, you can never solve this problem. But if you flip it and you look at from the human perspective of what is it I actually need to get through my day, how do I want to feel? The pole star we found came from the gaming community, which is blissful productivity. I want to feel not just productive, but blissfully productive. So all systems that surround me need to enable that state. They need to protect my time, protect my attention, allow me to navigate very complex network environments, software environments. And I don't want to know what's in the terms of service. I don't want to know what's in the privacy policy. I want to know it's being negotiated on my behalf. And I want to know that my identity, my information is protected at the end of the day. And those systems today don't exist. We're missing a browser for the next generation communications. And it's going to be a really sophisticated browser that doesn't answer to Apple or to Google or to even Mozilla, but answers to the end user. And that's a whole different paradigm. And it seems odd to say that will happen within the next 10 years, but it's actually a necessity.